everyone, it's me Deepa, and today I'm going to show you a very easy, a very neat way to light up your chulha. A chulha is basically an outdoor stove. So this is what it looks like. It's in horrible condition. It is a well-seasoned chulha. Alright, so I have a jar with me here and I have some cotton. So what I'm going to do is take some cotton, make some cotton balls and put it into my jar like this. Real simple, real easy, like that. And I have some pitch oil in this bottle. I'm just going to put it into my jar and soak my cotton. Yeah, you don't have to soak an entire jar, but the reason why I'm doing this is that I will just keep it outside, so every time I have to do this, you know, just have a little jar already with that soaked cotton. So yeah, just gonna keep pulling it up with all my cotton like that. So it's really nice and soaked. Right. So now I'm just gonna take one of my cotton balls soaked with pitch oil, and I'm gonna put it in the middle of my chulha there. And now I'm just gonna put one of these sticks here. I believe that these sticks are called guava wood. So now I'm going to light it up, and I got these sticks or these pieces of wood from well, I call her Chulha auntie, but she is basically Shanti, the Chulha queen from Siparia. So she sells these bundles of sticks, and I bought it from her. So I'm just gonna light this up. Be careful, because remember, at the end of the day, this is kerosene or pitch oil or whatever. So it's gonna catch really quickly. This is just perfect. So I'm gonna just leave this to catch a little bit, and then I'll add one more piece of wood on the top of it. Okay, so I'm going to make akra. I'm going to put my next stick in here by the meantime and just let it catch really well while I talk to you guys. So yeah, I was preparing for Chef Jason, and all the pieces of fish, all the fish that I actually fried, the leftover flour that I used to dust the fish in, it was so much I didn't want it to waste. So I decided to make some akra. And I also had leftover seasoning and all of that, and from the seasoning, when I seasoned the fish, whatever that was left at the bottom of the bowl, I did not want it to waste, because it was a lot of seasoning and it was smelling so good and looking so rich and good. So what I did was combine the seasoning, and I combined the remaining of the flour that I used to dust the fish, and then I added some boiled saltfish to it. That's a wrap for me. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and make sure to hit that bell so you will be notified every time I post a new video. And of course, you can find me on Instagram and on Facebook as well. So bye, guys.